Looking to elevate your home and make everyday living feel more refined? These luxury Amazon home gadgets are designed to bring comfort, convenience, and a premium feel into your daily routine. From smart upgrades to subtle details that make a big difference, they truly change how you live. All products you see are linked in the description, and for anyone watching on TV, just scan the QR code on screen to shop while you watch. Tired of dirty floors? This automatic shoe cover dispenser slips covers on instantly with just a tap of your foot. It holds 200 covers and fits most shoe sizes, keeping your home or workspace spotless. The non-slip base and sturdy design make it safe and stable for everyone. Built to last with durable materials, it's perfect for busy homes, offices, or factories. Easy, hygienic, and hassle-free, protect your floors in seconds. Hate cleaning windows by hand? This robot takes over with powerful 3-nozzle spray and a wet cloth that dissolves dirt in one pass. Its navigation plans the path perfectly, while edge detection and steady climbing tech keep it safe on any window. With a 10-level protection system, it cleans without risk of slips or drops. App control lets you start, stop, or schedule cleaning from anywhere, making spotless windows completely effortless. Why settle for a plain table when you can have a centerpiece? This modern coffee table lights up with 16 colors and 4 flashing modes, letting you set the mood for any occasion. The 2-tier design gives plenty of space for books, remotes, or snacks, keeping your living room tidy. Its high-gloss finish and sleek style add a contemporary touch, while the easy-to-clean surface keeps it looking fresh. Perfect for relaxing, working, or hosting guests. Why just see your reflection when you can watch your favorite shows too? This Magic Mirror TV turns your bathroom into a mini home theater with 1080p Full HD and dual front speakers. It's fully waterproof and safe, so you can relax in the bath while streaming movies or using apps. Voice control with Google Assistant makes it hands-free and effortless. Wall-mounted and sleek, it's perfect for bathrooms, saunas, or even hotel rooms. Ironing just got a lot smarter. This folding tabletop board saves space with a compact design that fits neatly on walls or doors. It even has a built-in iron holder, keeping everything organized and within reach. The drip lock cover handles steam efficiently, so your clothes stay dry while you work. Perfect for shirts, trousers, or dresses. It gives you a full ironing surface without taking up your whole room. Laundry just got a lot easier, even on the go. This mini portable washer deep cleans underwear, socks, and delicate clothes in minutes with gentle hand scrub imitation and blue light sterilization. 2 wash modes let you choose a quick 5-minute cycle or a longer deep clean, all powered by a rechargeable battery. Compact, splash-proof, and travel-friendly, it's perfect for apartments, dorms, RVs, or hotel stays. Just load, start, and let it do the work while you relax. Tired of shoes scattered all over the floor? This wall-mounted slipper rack keeps them neat, organized, and easy to grab. Stick it behind a door or on a wall, no drilling needed, and instantly create storage in tight spaces. It holds slippers, flip-flops, and casual shoes for the whole family, keeping entryways, bathrooms, and closets clutter-free. Lightweight, simple, and convenient, it makes putting on or taking off shoes effortless for everyone. Meet the bed vacuum that cleans itself. This cordless robot tackles mattresses, sofas, and carpets with strong 14 AW suction and UV light that kills dust and allergens. Its smart navigation and edge detection make sure it covers every corner without falling off. Compact and portable, it's easy to move around and even take on trips. With zero effort from you, it keeps your home healthier and your cleaning routine completely hands-free. upgrade your kitchen with a sink that does it all. This stainless steel setup comes with a pull-out faucet, cutting board, vegetable basin, and multi-function accessories to tackle every task. The faucet rotates 360 degrees and switches between waterfall and spray modes, giving you total control. With a durable nano-coated surface, it's easy to clean and built to last. Everything you need, drainer, glass washer, and pure water tap, is right at your fingertips. Bring a little underwater magic into your space. This Jellyfish Diffuser releases ultra-fine mist through 5 umbrella-shaped nozzles, spreading moisture 3 times wider than normal diffusers. The mist even dances to sound, syncing with music or chatter for a mesmerizing effect. Choose from 7 soft colors and adjust brightness with a remote to match your mood. With whisper quiet operation and safety features, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or a relaxing home spa. Ditch the matches and sparks that never last. This electric lighter creates a flameless plasma arc that works even in wind or rain. A safety lock and automatic shutoff keep you and your family protected while lighting candles, BBQs, or fireplaces. It's USB rechargeable, portable, and shows battery level with LED lights so you're never caught off guard. Sleek, convenient, and ready for any adventure, it makes fire easy and safe. Bring the galaxy right into your room. This astronaut projector fills your ceiling with swirling nebulae and twinkling stars, creating a peaceful, magical atmosphere. Use the remote to adjust brightness, rotation, and even set a timer so it turns off as you drift to sleep. The astronaut's head moves to change the projection angle, and the base doubles as a cute decoration. Perfect for kids, movie nights, or just relaxing under your own little starry sky. Tired of scrubbing your pool by hand? This cordless robotic cleaner does all the work for you. Just drop it in, press start, and it scrubs floors, walls, and water lines with powerful suction. Its sonar navigation maps your pool for complete coverage, while the brushless motor climbs walls and adapts to any surface. With 3 cleaning modes and a high-capacity filter, your pool stays sparkling clean with almost 0 effort. Imagine a tiny fireplace right on your desk. This diffuser not only moisturizes the air, but also creates a realistic flame effect that feels cozy and warm. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, and it fills the room with soothing scents that relax your mind and skin. The ultrasonic mist spreads quickly and quietly, so you won't even notice it running. With a built-in timer and 7 color flame modes, you can customize your atmosphere while it takes care of the air for hours. Say goodbye to twisting and turning with your old pepper mill. This electric grinder gives you fresh spices with just one hand. Flip it, and it starts grinding automatically. The built-in LED light softly illuminates your dish so you season perfectly, even in low light. You can adjust the coarseness for fine or chunky spice exactly how you like it. Made of stainless steel with a durable ceramic core, it's quiet, easy to refill, and ready for any kitchen or picnic. Keep your hands clean and your counters tidy with this touchless paper towel dispenser. Just wave, and it dispenses the perfect amount. No mess, no fuss. Unused sheets automatically retract, keeping your roll dry and neat. Refilling is simple. Open the cover, swap in a new roll, and you're ready to go. It works with most standard paper towels and can run on batteries or plug in, making it a smart addition to any kitchen or workspace. Say goodbye to cluttered shower shelves. This wall-mounted triple dispenser keeps shampoo, conditioner, and body wash all in one sleek spot. The ergonomic pump delivers just the right amount every time, so you waste less and stay mess-free. Refills are quick with a wide opening, and the whole unit lifts off the wall for easy cleaning. Made from rust-proof stainless steel, It stays shiny and durable, keeping your bathroom organized and stylish. This is how a clean bathroom routine should feel. This touchless mouthwash dispenser pours the perfect amount the moment you place your cup underneath. You never touch the bottle, which keeps everything more hygienic and mess-free. Adjustable dispensing lets you choose a light rinse or a deeper clean with ease. With a rechargeable battery, LED display, and magnetic cups that snap neatly into place, your sink stays organized and effortless every day. Boiling water just got travel-friendly. This foldable electric kettle collapses down small enough to fit in a bag, making it perfect for trips or small kitchens. You just press a button and hot water is ready in minutes, and it even keeps water warm until you need it. Made from food-grade silicone, it's safe and lightweight. With dual voltage, it works nearly anywhere in the world. Coffee, tea, or instant meals are always within reach. This lamp feels more like a piece of modern art than a light. Its minimalist design responds to your touch, letting you adjust brightness or activate a gentle breathing glow that slowly fades in and out. You use it wire-free thanks to the built-in rechargeable battery, so it looks clean anywhere you place it. The soft ambient light sets a calm mood for nights, reading, or relaxing. It's simple, stylish, and quietly mesmerizing. Messy shelves don't stand a chance against this little organizer. This portable label maker prints clean, sharp labels without ink, so you never worry about refills or smudges. You connect it to your phone and design labels in seconds using text, icons, or codes. The thermal printing makes labels waterproof, tear-resistant, and built to last. From home storage to small business tasks, you label once and stay organized every day. This lamp does way more than just light up a room. Its curved design blends soft ambient lighting, a wireless charging spot, and a built-in speaker into one sleek piece. You set the mood with multiple light colors while your phone charges right beside you. The sunrise alarm gently brightens the room to wake you naturally instead of startling you. It's the kind of smart light that turns your space into a calm, connected zone. This chair doesn't just let you sit, it lets you settle in for hours. Designed like a playful animal recliner, it wraps you in plush comfort while hiding a mini fridge right within arm's reach. You relax, recline, and grab a cold drink without ever standing up. The ergonomic build supports your body so long movie nights or gaming sessions feel effortless. It's comfort, convenience, and personality all rolled into one unforgettable seat. Your nightstand just got a serious upgrade. This smart bedside table keeps your phone powered with built-in wireless charging and handy ports right on top. 2 smooth glide drawers give you quiet, clutter-free storage for everything you reach for at night. The soft LED lighting adds a modern glow and even turns on automatically when you walk up. It's furniture that works for you while you rest. Charging chaos ends right here. This all-in-one wireless charging station powers your phone, watch, earbuds, and more from a single sleek stand. You just place your devices down and everything charges together. No cable juggling required. Built-in Bluetooth time sync keeps the clock accurate automatically, so your nightstand stays smart without effort. Ambient lighting adds a soft glow, while safety protection keeps every device cool and secure. One station, one spot, and you wake up fully charged. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.